Two-door, 396 car, 4-speed. That Mustang fastback.
Oh, the Texas. Buddy holds the classic.
You gotta pump the brake.
Yeah, make sure I have brake.
Here we go. First test drive, 1956 Chevy. Billy Wayne's hot rod. Which way are we going? Boy, it sounds like a monster, don't it, Billy? They got power steering?
Yeah. We're just in drive.
Huh?
We're just in drive.
You don't want to get it up too high or what? That brake pedal's too high. It needs to come back down. You gonna stop at the stop sign?
Yeah. When I get to the brakes.
Alright.
I don't like that being that high up though.
It doesn't need to be that high. We'll have to fix it. This should be down on the floor. What's he thinking?
Yes, that's just the way it mounted in there.
Yes, it is. Whoa! Oh well. Is it floating all over the road?
No.
Or is that you?
That was me.
Yeah, you gotta lift your leg too high to get the pedal. Just to grab it. We should probably turn
It's
around.
gonna be, have to take some use
Right.
to.
That's more than taking used to. The door ain't even shut.
There's a turnaround up here.
Turn around right there.
We said there was a circle.
We got a 700R tranny in here.
Yeah.
Alright. Signing off. Johnson County, Texas. We're gonna pull up and see if old Montgomery's at house. He got a bunch of cars. What do you think, Bill? Nice Charger, though.
Yeah.
Mustang,
Camaro.
Camaro. We got a bunch of pickups. That happens sometimes. You don't get to walk every place you want to walk. But I've walked it before. We'll come back another day. That's no problem. Let's go see what else we can find, Billy.
Can you open the hood on it?
Yeah.
I got the steering column for my, I think mine's a 75 Nova, I'm not really sure. Cousin already put it in. And I wanted to look at the steering column under there to see if it's anything like what I have. Shoot, I can't see none of that.
I can barely see it.
I can feel as if it's got the head on it.
Driving around, me and Billy Wayne just spotted this spot.
Mustang, 63 Impala. There's some older cars up in there. 62 or 63. Chevy pickup. We had a great find today. It was a 1969 GTO. How about that?
Boy, it was a sweet find, guys. Now you stay tuned. We got a great show for you today. The GTO was an interesting find. I was just driving around and recording cars. Next thing you know, I see this GTO. So what I do is at first, I wasn't even going to ask about it. I was just going to stop and take a couple of photos, walk around, you know. But I decided to ask the guy, hey, is this for sale? And he said yes. And did not belong to him, belonged to a customer. And he had to give me a number of a friend to call that knew the guy, one of those situations. Long story short, the guy lives in North Carolina. So we ended up making a deal for the car for $1,000. Can't get any better than that.
Not for this classic car.
Not for this car. This is a 1969 Pontiac GTO, 400, 4-speed on the floor, posi track rear end, power brakes, power steering, AC car. Highly optioned muscle car for 1969. I believe it was 69 when disc brakes came out and got away from drums.
Somewhere around there.
So this is one of the first cars, highly optioned with the 4-speed on the floor, with AC and power brakes and power steering. Well, let's see if we can get in the trunk. This side's fine.
Oh, you can get that piece, do that easy. Take that light out and tap it out.
Yeah, that's where the light is. Oh yeah, right there. A little dented.
Yeah, just take that emblem off.
Yeah.
Tap it as soon as it's right out.
All right, guys, we're sitting in the 1969 GTO, just talking about the car, the find. The story is pretty incredible. Now, there's a lot of good classics out there still to find, guys. There's a lot of honey holes still to visit. So you stay tuned with us. Oh, no problem, buddy. Wait till he's done. Wait till he's done. Crank it up. Do what? I think he's over there. Let's see. Get in. Come get in. There it goes. I gotta let him get out the way.
Does this bitch have a sunroof in it?
Nah, that's just something like that. They look
That'd
like
be
that.
cool.
Yeah, you actually devalue them if you put sunroofs in them. Nobody wants a sunroof. Come on, dude. 2 weeks. Let's go. Now what am I supposed to do? I'm gonna cut.
Couple dollars.
Oh well, it's work in progress. I've been working on it about 4 years now. Wiring hanging out of there. Got a whole bunch of.
Finally got it on the road. I'm gonna paint it for him.
But
do the
motor's all
upholstery.
nice inside it.
Those are popular trucks, so. In the early
You know
50s.
that they wasn't about 10 years ago. You couldn't hardly. They wasn't worth nothing. Now all of a sudden, bam! You can buy a rusted one.
And
for $7.
everybody's at the early model 55 too.
Yeah.
My son-in-law next door got 2 of them.
Oh, 55s?
Yeah, early model.
Yeah.
With a little window on the side.
Yeah, some of them got the wraparound window.
Yeah.
Some of them got
But
the little
that's
square
the
window.
second edition.
Yeah. This here's a 56. But like I said, I seen them rusted out. I mean, just no floorboards in them. They want $7,000 for them damn trucks.
Yeah. That's why I'm looking at yesterday at the swap meet. Decatur.
They've gone up.
Oh, everything's expensive anymore.
I started on this.
But there's
about
4
40.
cars right there that I sold, and the guy never would come get them. And 2 Pontiacs, and that convertible, and the 57 Ford.
Never would come get them.
He paid for them.
They just ain't come got them.
He probably can't afford to buy enough gas to get over and get them. Poor guy. He drove up in here in a ragged old brand new Mercedes-Benz SUV. Bunch of people with him. He picked them out there, and I moved them up here. He paid for them.
They never
Hadn't seen
came
him since
back for 'em.
How long ago was that?
2 years ago.
Wow.
We
I just pulled up to Billy Wayne's. We're about to run up to the summit. All right, quick. Let me move the car out the way. Billy Wayne. There's Billy. You see any sweaters with the right thing on it? I'm waiting for him to bring my order out.
Work shirt.
Yeah, I seen that. They want $50 for it though.
Yeah.
I was looking for the jacket or sweaters. Figured they'd have more sweaters. It's about to be wintertime. Ryan Martin Motorsports. Clay Cam. I did get the coffee mug, the faint coffee mug. I'm following you, beep. Look, you see all the paint they sell? Right here. This is all the paint colors they sell. Here's your flats, right? And you got your pearls. This is the pearls I was talking about. It's got a little shimmer in it. That one ain't got, they ain't gonna let you open it. This one's got a little bit. No, you can't, it's locked. They ain't got no pearl in it. Oh, you grabbed one? Yeah, I might want to see what's in it. Should have grabbed me one too. all this stuff in the Chucky. Hi guys, we're out here at Montgomery's. We're all finked out today. We got the cars. We got lookers. We're gonna give you a little walk around. Alright guys, here we are. Me and Bill Wayne going to pick up the 57 Bel Air. Me and my girl sitting here in the car and we just turned on the radio. Listen. Isn't that cool?